진짜 토끼야? 살아있네? 조형물인 줄 알았어. 너무 가만히 있어서. 아, 안녕. 토끼야. 야, 이렇게 길 토끼가 있어? 너무 신기하다. 어머, 움직여. 너 남의 집 정원에 있는 풀 다 뜯어먹으면 어떡해. 어머, 어떡해. 너무 귀엽다.
I'm so in love with you. You just hug me and give me warmth. You could took away my pain and you let me feel so safe and peacefully calm. Dark run away, season cold again. Around, your voice is near, right beside my ears, and I'll fall asleep again into your dusk and soothe my dark. To glow it out, I see the blue of your flowers inside your heart, and stars held by your eyes bring me to blue sky, and you hold me by your side in a dream of me. You're the town of my dark and the place of my queen.
여기 다 이름이 적힌 것 같은데? 지금 여기 베트남이라고 적혀 있고 저기 코리아라고 적혀 있는 기념비가 있습니다. 한번 가볼게요. 지금 베트남 지도가 있고 이거는 베트남 전때 참전했던 용사들의 이름이 적혀 있는 것 같네요. 이제 한국 기념비 쪽으로 걸어가 볼게요. 향기 너무 좋아. 색깔도 괜찮은데?
응?
색깔도 괜찮은데?
15불?
응, 엄청 싸다. 나이키도 싸고. 할인 또 해서 12불이야. 엄청 싸다.
기능성.
응, 괜찮지? 운동할 때랑. 얘도 12.99야. 진짜 싸다. 원래 26불인데 12.99. 너무 사랑스럽잖아.
Life's just better with surprise. That's why at Marshall's we get new deliveries discoveries of surprising items every day. That means every time you visit, you can find something unexpected, which means at Marshall's, your surprise is waiting.
오늘은 한국식 돈까스가 너무 먹고 싶어서 저의 효자템인 이 친구로 돈까스를 만들어 보도록 하겠습니다.
never forget. I knew from the moment she spoke that she was destined to be my favorite regret. And all through the years, the joy and the tears we shared as the greatest of friends. But she was destined to be my favorite regret. Well, each moment we spent, I've been almost content just to talk to her all through the night. But a part of me mourns what will never be born. Forever my favorite regret.
He's gentle and kind and totally blind to not see the life we could lead. And he is destined to be my favorite regret. In bad times and good, I've steadfastly stood. My passion just waits to be free.